Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So today I'll gonna give some tests in my UpWork profile. You already and probably have heard about the UpWork Readiness test. So this is a basic test that leads to a different kind of profile. Maybe there is something that is very fruitful. So that's why the UpWork personnels and UpWork administration have thought to have this test. So I don't know what is the advantages of this test. Let's take this test and see what will happen to my profile. So this is my general profile, and you can see I have all the projects are in front of you. That is according to my profile. And right now what I have done is I have used all of the available connects, so I'm standing on 0 available connects right now. So let's go and take this UpWork readiness test. So check that you're up to date on UpWork best practices and staying safe on UpWork by taking this 10 questions test. Passing the UpWork readiness test is required to be eligible for the Rising Talent program. So they are saying that you will be a part of this Rising Talent program if you clear all of the questions from this test. Your test result will not be displayed on your UpWork profile, so that is very good. If we have low score values of tests, so it will not be uploaded to our profile. If you need additional background before taking the test, so read this help article. So I don't would like to read this article because this is the most known and very common test. But going and starting and initiating that test, so I'm gonna see what is Rising Talent program is from UpWork. So there is a long list, and you can see there is a long an article in this UpWork support. And so if we read some of the lines, does this work different from what's on your account? Don't worry, some new features are being released on a rolling basis. You may be next to see them. The Rising Talent badge highlights some of the best new members in the UpWork marketplace. As a rising talent, new freelancers and agencies and quickly get started, grow their client base, and establish their freelance reputation on our platform. So it's good. Reduce fees starting at 10%, one-time bonus of 30, free connects, 60 for agencies for you submit more proposal to client, access to chat and ticket support from a specialized customer. So these are the benefits for the rising talent. Becoming a rising talent, UpWork readiness test, complete projects on time, profile availability status. So maybe I would like this article to be give a thumbs up, and I close this one and go back to this, and just we will start the UpWork readiness test. Okay, so I will be going fast, and it will be a quick test. So because they are saying that 2 minutes time limit per question, and we have 10 questions available. Okay, so let's get started. Your role performance time is displayed on your profile. Which of the following study responsiveness score? Your responsiveness score is based on how quickly you respond, accept limitations, put lines to see. Okay, continue. Many jobs on the profile post privately as invite jobs. These two connect a strong profile can help receive more invitation. Which items help you to create a 100% profile? So professional looking profile photo of yourself, little overview, list your top skills and portfolio of your work. So all should be checked. When working on an early job, invite your client for time work on the project. What do you need to qualify for UpWork's payment protection? For hourly jobs, please check that all apply. You must have an hourly contract. You must have a client with a verified billing method. You must log your hours with the Upwork desktop app. You must write activities and work diary, memos and activities. You must exceed. No, this will not be a case, so I will hit continue. Upwork terms of service help users to stay safe and maintain trust for the marketplace. Which the following statements about Upwork's terms of service are true. Your commit to complete relationship to work 24 months unless this one is soliciting or accepting payment from an Upwork client off the platform is violation of Upwork's transform service. That's correct. You can only have one Upwork account. This one account gives you access to any account type you may need, including freelancer, client, or agency. Click it. You can share your account credential with the other users. No, it's not the case, so I'll not click it. I will continue it. Okay, which are the requirements to achieve top-rated freelancer status on Upwork? Upwork top-rated program recognizes freelancers that have a proven history of success with multiple clients, contribute to a safe marketplace, and follow Upwork's terms of service. Job success 90%. Past year, 100% complete profile. Availability status, past interview with an Upwork representative, no recent account holds. Okay, so I'll not select this one and hit continue. Your proposal is often your first interaction with the potential client. It's your opportunity to introduce yourself, highlight your expertise, and how ensure the client why you're the best professional for the job. What are the best practices for submitting or winning proposal through Upwork? Writing a proposal in professional greeting. Your relevant experience and key listed in the job post. Outline how you will approach, respond to any screening question listed in the above. Copy and paste. No, I will not select this one and hit continue. How does Upwork payment protection or fixed price jobs work? The client deposit refunds. Payment to escrow upon receiving and approving the work. The client releases the payment to you. You proactively begin working before the client has created and funded a milestone. Before, no. Let's continue. Question number 8. Working safely on Upwork should be your number one priority. This includes never starting to work on a job unless you're ready. Have a contract in the place with your client. So which of the following statement about starting to work on a job is true? Start the work as soon as the client has sent you a message. No. Start the work only once the client has sent you an offer. You have accepted to offer the platform. You can contact the person in my jobs and this one. So I'll continue. So this is the last question. Upwork offers a number of choices for withdrawal funds, so wire transfer and pay to prevent failing victims to payment scams. Which tips you should follow to protect yourself from suspicious activities? Share your bank information with your client. No. Accept mail checks. No. Contact Upwork customer support when a client offers to pay you directly via the PayPal, Western Union, or another method of the system. Accept this. Accept a job where the client asks you to pay money to get job. So I will make it continue. So most probably this is the last question we have. Your job success score measures your client satisfaction with your work on Upwork, reflecting relationships, feedback, job outcome. Which of the following statement about job success score on Upwork true? Your job success score measures your client satisfaction with your overall work history on Upwork. Long-term relationships are a plus and can help boost your score. Jobs with higher earnings weigh more and will have a bigger impact on your score. So I'm hitting continue. So this is the last question, and congratulations, you have completed the Upwork Readiness test, and we have 5 out of 5. We have passed. And can I retake the test to try for a better score? Yes, you can retake the Upwork Readiness test anytime. Note that your test result will not be displayed on your Upwork profile. So it is done, and we have passed. So don't need to have the test redone. So check that you are up to date on Upwork best practice and staying safe on passing eligible for. So we are now eligible for the Rising Talent program. If I go back over here on my main Upwork page, and oh, that is cool. So I have a 40 available connects. As you know, when I see and when I show my profile earlier, so you have seen that I have a 0 available connects after passing the readiness test. Now we have 40 available gifted connects from Upwork. So thank you very much, Upwork, for this gift, and I think it's bye for now. You have already seen how to give readiness test, and this is very much important for you. So this is up for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing and keep liking my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Kodegems. Thank you very much.